Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To remove enforced editing restrictions from a Word document, open the document. Then click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Restrict Editing button in the Protect button group to open the Restrict Editing task pane. Scroll to the bottom of the task pane if necessary and click the Stop Protection button. The Unprotect Document dialog box then opens if you used a password to protect the document. Enter the password you created into the password field and click the OK button to remove the editing restrictions. When finished, click the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar or Backstage view to save the changes you made.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.